There is this little boy called Ikenna. He's always first in his class, in primary 2. He always asks questions full of energy. Something starts changing. He forgets things faster. He can't focus anymore. Gets into trouble in class. His parents does not see anything wrong with it. They think it's a phase in life. But what they didn't know is that the constant cigarette smoke at home was quietly affecting his brain. Welcome to episode 6 of our series of cigarette and its consequences, where we tell you undiluted truth. Today we'll be looking at smoke and a child's brain. Secondhand smoke isn't just bad air, but it's a brain blocker. Every time a child inhales smoke, 250 toxic chemicals get into their tiny lungs. Some of these chemicals cross into the bloodstream and go straight for their brain. Toxins like lead, carbon monoxide, and formaldehyde interferes with the brain cell concentration, especially in areas that controls memory, learning, attention, and focus. The result is low IQ scores, poor problem solving, slower learning in school. Smoking also interferes with behavioral pattern of a little child. The problem is not that the kids are naughty, their behavioral pattern has been interfered. We've seen that in kids that can't sit still. They struggle to follow simple instructions and are constantly scolded for bad behavior. Exposure to cigarette smoke has been linked to attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, irritability, mood swings, and impulsive behavior, because nicotine and carbon monoxide disrupts the brain's chemical responsible for attention and emotional control. These conditions are also in adults that smoke. You always see they're very aggressive at times. Some of these little children you see are not naughty, neither are they stubborn or badly brought up. They have been passively poisoned by their parents without knowing. That hyperactive child in your class, in your community, in your church might not be badly raised though. They might just be passively poisoned. Smoking also leads to delayed development. In the early stages of a child's life, the brain develops faster. The child starts learning how to talk, curiosity is at its highest level, emotion becomes stabilized. When smoking interferes, it slows all of this down. Children exposed to cigarette smoke are more likely to speak later. They struggle with basic vocabulary and show delays in motor skills like writing or holding a spoon properly. An example is a 4-year-old child struggling to pronounce the word ball or mommy. Next time someone lights up a cigarette near a child, remember, it's not just a puff, it's a thief stealing brain power, potential, and peace. In episode 7, we will cover how cigarette chemicals cause DNA mutations, trigger tumors, and increase cancer risks not just in the lungs, but in the mouth, bladder, breast, liver, and more. Thank you for staying till the end of this episode.